Hello fans, how are you doing? So we have this question here with us. Express express 0.0026 in standard form. Alright. So solution, if you have something like this, what will I do? I'll just put a number down 0.0026, right? So what will I do? I will count. Look at my initial decimal point here. I want to put my initial my new decimal point here now. I want to put it here. I will count towards my left hand side, right? So I'm counting towards my left hand side. Therefore, there is something I will do. I will say this thing is equals to 2.6 times 10 raised to power what? Minus. Look at it from here. 1, 2, 3. I write minus 3. This is my answer. The reason why I put in minus 3 is because I counted towards my what? My left hand side. Assuming I'm counting from this side, I will put what? Positive. Right? So that is the reason why we have this thing to be equal to this number, right? This is the standard form of this number. Now if I don't want to use this pattern, there is still another method I can use. I can say method 2. I can use this pattern 0.0026. I know that this thing is still equal to, I will come to this place and pick out number, just the whole number there, right? If I watch now, I see that the whole number here is just what? 26, right? I will trash this one, right? Because these 00 are meaningless for me for now, right? I'll just pick out the whole number. I will pick 26, right? Look at what I want to do. I will write all over. I will check in place of decimal point. I will put what? 1. In place of this one, I will put what? 0. This one, I will put what? 0. This one, I will put what? 0. And this one, I will put what? 0. I see the trick there. Now this thing is equal to, I will write 26, right? All over. I write this one in this in standard form, which is 10 raised to power how many? 1, 2, 3, right? 4. Then I will write 10 raised to power what? 4. Do you follow to this point? Alright. And then I believe that something like this in law of indices is still the same thing as what? Writing 26 times 10. If you carry this thing up, it becomes what? Minus 4. I see it. Once you take it off, it becomes what? Minus 4, right? So now, if I have something like this, the next thing to do is what? But if you're observant enough, you see that this thing is not in standard form because I'm having 26 here. And from the law of, from the definition of standard form, implies that I have something like a times 10 raised to power what? N. Where my a will be a number that lies between 1 to where? 9. That means it should not be above what? 9. So if I should leave it like this, that means this number is above 9, right? Therefore, it's not in standard form. Alright? So the next thing now to do is what? I want to change this into standard form. But I know that 26 itself is what? 2.6 times 10, right? Raised to power 1. Then I'll put this one times 10 raised to power what? Minus 4. I know somebody may ask me, how did I get 2.6 times 10 raised to power 1? I know this one, you know this one, how I got this one. Okay, let me tell you how I got that one. 26. You should know that 26 in standard form. So I want to change 26 itself in standard form. Is still equal to, I write 2, right? Point. Look at it. I'm putting point here, right? If I want to put my point here, I will count like this, right? And it's 0.6. Then times 10 raised to power. How many did I count? Just one. So I will just put 1. Are you seeing it? That is how I brought this one. Instead of writing 26, I'm taking this one to replace here. All right? Right? So I have this one. This one is from here. I know this thing is still equal to, I'll write this one, the same thing, 2.6 times, from the law of indices, when they have the same base, take one base and do what? Add their powers. So I will take one base, which is 10, add their powers. I'm having 1 minus 4, right? I know somebody may ask me, why didn't I write plus and then minus 5? It's still the same thing, because if I have plus minus 4, it's still the same thing as writing 2.6 times 10 raised to power 1 minus 4, right? And this thing is equal to 2.6 times 10 raised to power minus 3. This is the correct answer. If you watch the two of them, you see that two of them are the same answer. Thank you. Bye bye.